Hi guys, it's Rose here, and I just want to first off thank God for allowing me to just finish my album and walking through this journey. He has just blessed me with so much that I can't even ask for, honestly. And I want to thank you guys for watching my video, watching this video, and I just pray that it will be a blessing to you guys. And the song that I'm going to share with you guys today is called Npaj Lub Neej, and I hope that it may be an encouragement to you guys in your faith. Just hold on tight and stand firm in whatever situation you are in or encountering or anything like that. And yeah, I hope you enjoy and have a blessed day or a good night, and God bless.
Yeej.